How to create your own effects on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own effects on your TikTok. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search bar, type in TikTok Effect House. Then you will see Effect House at the first search result. Tap open that link. So first of all, you have to download TikTok Effects House. And in case you don't know what a TikTok Effect House is, it's a powerful AR tool that will make it easier for you to create, publish, and share high-quality augmented effects for your TikTok. In case you would like to learn more about this, tap on Learn More. And you can also watch a video of how it works. Once you read all these, download these effects and follow the on-screen prompt to get started. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.